Hey guys, I'm Jean and this is Woodshop Junkies. With 2018 quickly coming to its end, I figured I'd make a short video just to look back at the year, what it meant for me and my channel, and also discuss a few projects that I'm going to be doing going into 2019. A few months ago, I made a video to thank the channel's then 10,000 subscribers. Today, only 4 months later, or little over 4 months later, I'm privileged enough to thank almost 3 times as many people. This is a milestone I never thought my channel would be able to achieve, because it's not so easy being a South African based maker on YouTube, which should be evident by the fact that I'm the only one, or the only one I know about at least. In fact, the only other African based maker I'm aware of is Campbell from MaconSTUFF, who's based in Namibia, one of South Africa's neighbouring countries, and does some really great work. But I'm sure if you ask him, he'll express the same frustration that I experience when it comes to sourcing material and equipment. I guess what I'm trying to get at is the fact that I am extremely grateful for all the support the channel has been getting, and as long as you guys find value in my content, I will keep making videos. Also, thank you so much to all the people that have been supporting the channel by visiting the merch stores. I know we've been having a bit of an issue with the UK store lately, but hopefully that will be sorted out by the time this video goes up. We also have taken the 3 best designs based on sales and made them available on hoodies as well. So if you guys want to check that out, there will be links in the description of this video. Now, the people that have been following my channel would know that the bulk of this year was spent building my all-in-one woodworking workstation, which has really been a game changer in my small shop. But more recently, I've decided to take a step back from it and focus on some of the projects that I've been neglecting while I was working on the bench. One of these projects is the project I've been preparing for in my previous 2 videos, when I made my box joint jig for my router table and my DIY frame clamp. And essentially what it is to make a display cabinet for a set of books that my brother would like to preserve for his kids one day. So hopefully that video will be coming out very soon. Something else that I'm very excited about is my next big build series, and it's not going to be another 7-month project like the bench. It is probably going to happen over a course of about 2 weeks and result in about 4 videos. And essentially what it is, it's me getting together with a bunch of friends, loading on my cars, going to the middle of nowhere and building something and having fun doing it. And the reason why I decided to do this is, besides the fact that it's a project that I've wanted to do for some time, it's because a lot of people have been saying to me lately, listen dude, you talk too much in your videos. So I figured I'll make a series, a fun series that's hopefully fun to watch and doesn't require me to over-explain every single detail of the build. So hopefully you guys have fun watching it. I know I'm going to have fun building it with my buddies. So hopefully those videos will start going up in about 3 to 4 weeks. Now, some other very exciting, well, exciting for me as well, news that I would like to share is, over the last few months, a few people have asked me, listen, the bench is really nice, but how do you intend on moving it if you had to relocate? Well, in about 2 months, we're going to get to find out, because my fiance and I have bought our first house, which is very exciting, but it has some good news and bad news for me. Good news, I'm getting a brand new shop and I can do everything from scratch: shelves, paint walls, floors, power layouts and all that kind of stuff, which is really exciting. Bad news is my shop's not getting any bigger. It's still only going to be a single garage. Nevertheless, this is very exciting news for me and for the channel, because it is opening the door on a whole new range of projects I can do in and around the house. I might even create another YouTube channel with a focus on DIY and home improvement with my fiance, a kind of making a house a home type situation, but we'll see how it goes. So, right off the bat, 2019 is shaping up to be quite an exciting year for Woodshop Junkies, with a new shop, new making the most of a small shop projects, new DIY home improvement projects, and I get to kick it off with a fun build with my friends. So, I really hope you guys stick around for all of that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you should do that now so you don't miss out on any of those videos. Once again, thank you so much for all the support the channel has been getting this year, and I really hope we can keep growing the channel going forward. As always, thanks so much for watching. Till next time, cheers.